Wow. They've been asking for you, bro.
Where have you been?
Where have you been? Check it out, guys. You guys haven't seen Ed's car in a long time. Let's hop in, guys. I haven't rode in Ed's car the same amount of time that you guys haven't seen it.
It's been like a
months, dude. Long time. I've actually missed Ed's car.
You're hiding. You don't get this invitar ya.
Ah.
You're too busy.
Yeah, once you got a carbon fiber trunk and or a carbon fiber hood, you stop hitting us up. What's up, Chino?
I don't know.
Show wisdom teeth.
Dude, my face is swollen, bro.
So Chino got his wisdom teeth pulled out. A ver?
Dude, I can't open my mouth.
How was it?
It's not that bad, honestly. It's just like annoying, you know?
You guys have been really digging the POV drives or the drives with the GoPro. So today we're in Ed's car. Chino's following behind us. We're gonna go to one of our favorite spots where we usually shoot. But instead of Ed wearing the GoPro on his head, I'm gonna wear it on my head. That way we can get the front view and we can also get Ed shifting and all that stuff.
Just get pulled over right now.
So we're gonna switch over to the GoPro right now. We're just waiting for some of this traffic to clear. How does the car drive, Ed?
It drives good. Just my alignment's trash right now.
Gotta get that
all those
alignment.
all those potholes in the winter.
Dude, I know in the winter time, bro.
They're so bad. So my alignment's like trash. So we'll feel it right now. Once we hit like 60, like 65, 70.
Dude, remember when we first did
it
your
feels like that.
or whatever?
It feels like that again.
I don't know if you guys remember when we did like all of the suspension work on Ed's car, and then we went to drive it without an alignment. It literally felt like you were like on a waterbed.
Yeah.
It was crazy feeling. So hopefully we don't feel that today.
Hopefully we don't die. No, yeah.
Popped hella good right there, dude. How's your alignment?
Shit.
Yeah.
Dude, it drives like trash.
Dude, I drove Chino's car the other day and it felt pretty bad too.
Yeah. Dude, my car fucking, it drives like trash. Like I miss when I had my fucking, like the whole setup, dude. I was just like driving, like I just miss going hella fast.
Yeah.
Like right now, like I'm scared to drive fast.
Cars and see Chino's, bro. You can smell that too, huh? Bro, you said your car doesn't pop anymore, dude? That shit's
just doing it
like pops every single time you ship.
You're the good luck charm.
Damn. Hey, did you see Ed's flames? Could you see them or no?
A lot of them weren't flames, just like cracks.
Yeah.
Like I could hear them.
They were loud, dude.
I know, hella loud.
Well, we caught one of yours, I think.
Yeah.
So Ed's gonna put the GoPro on, and hopefully we can get some good POV of his car, and then I'm gonna go in Chino's car and get some rollers in this one.
I have to like take it off and put it back on.
Wait. what's wrong? He hit himself. He hit himself.
First though, let's take a look at both of these cars together. We haven't seen these cars together in a long time. Check it out. Just do a full walk around while we're at it. Chino's bumper's coming off. Dude, your cheeks are hella swole.
I know.
It popped, but there was like barely anything there, you know? It sounds fucking sick though. Coming up. Lotus?
Yeah.
I've never liked those cars.
Really? I used to use it on Midnight Club.
Would you get one? All right, we made it to the spot where we usually shoot some pictures. Haven't been here in a while too.
The lighting's decent right now too.
Yeah, it's not bad. The clouds. I'm gonna catch this air out. There we go. Damn, that's lower than yours. Ah.
No, it probably
Chill,
is.
chill.
Cause it's
Kidding, bro. So for any of you who are new to the channel, you haven't seen Ed's car, we're gonna do like a little walk around just so you guys know what's done to his car. Up front he has an APR.
It was an APR and it's kind of trash now. It kind of fell off a couple times.
Yeah, you could tell right there. The bumper came off, scratched it up.
Oh, what the? I didn't even notice that.
Dude, it's because of this shit.
With the fog light?
Yeah, so like when the bumper fell off, this thing came off, and the LED, it was just hanging with the wire from the LED, and it just like scratched the shit up hella bad.
Damn, I didn't even notice that.
And then,
I thought it was vinyl.
and then, every time like on the freeway when it would fall off, look at this.
Damn, dude. Has these aftermarket fog covers?
Fog light, yeah, fog
covers. And they
It's missing
usually
the
have the
LED.
LED right there. Obviously the carbon fiber hood, rain guards. We wrapped his roof like
Like the big, that was like the first
the
mod.
first mod,
Yeah.
and it was windy as hell.
You can tell, look. There's just like hella bumps everywhere.
All the little
Like debris.
the
on there.
dust and all that. On the back he has the Subi Speed tail lights, and these look like, I always got the like Mercedes vibe off of
Same.
these, you know. Carbon fiber gurney flap, is that what it's called?
Yeah, the gurney flap.
Perrin wing stabilizers, and then a carbon backing for the license plate, and then this little thing right here, I don't know what this is called. And then of course he has the third brake light, just like Chino.
And the toe strap. Yep.
And
Oh,
the
yeah,
toe strap.
toe strap.
Dude, that's that.
Old toe strap.
It's been through everything. It's been through like how many winters? 4 winters, 3 winters.
Oh, and then the wheels. These are Ongo's old NTO3s.
And it's on bags.
And it's on bags, yeah. Forgot that big one. I'm gonna leave Ed's Instagram right here if you guys want to go follow him. This car is gonna change just a little bit in the next couple of months if you guys want to keep up on his journey with his car.